this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can cancel MTN AYO Life Insurance. Maybe you've been getting deductions from your airtime every month and you'll be wondering where it's going. Well, it might be MTN AYO Life Insurance. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you are going to cancel it once and for all. This is great, Philip, and if this happens to be your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like this video as well. Now let's get started. Okay, so open the dialer on your phone and dial *296#, then send. Then you are going to choose one, that's recharge with care. Then you are going to choose one, that's continue with RWC. Then you are going to choose one, that's my profile. Then you will choose two, that's cancel policy. So two. Then they will give you this notice: you will lose your insurance cover. Are you sure you want to terminate your policy? So you will select one, then send again. Then they will ask you the reason you are terminating the policy. So number one is you are no longer interested. Number two is financial challenge. Number three is you are unaware. Number four is product knowledge. Number five is skip the step. So let me choose no longer interested, which is number one. After cancelling the offer, they will give you notice which says your recharge with care policy have been terminated. We are sorry you are leaving us. To reinstate your policy and covered, dial *296. So now we are done. So just dial 1 to exit, and the policy have been terminated. And there you have it. You have cancelled MTN AYO Life Insurance. Let me know in the comment section if it works for you. Before we leave, don't forget to stay smart and stay connected until we meet again.